Don't sleep, Bagay. It's too early. You wanna help him? Yeah?
It's okay.
You can put that back in there again. That's fine. Thank you very much.
You happy? Yeah? Where is Papa from?
It's two cents. They're sleeping and the tosser.
Yeah?
But sleeping
Thomas.
and the tosser.
Castle?
Nein, and the toss.
So, ja, alles mit? Ja.
Der Schrank, die Kommode, bla bla bla. Und dann vergisst du vielleicht den Heizteil. Die Tische sind alle am Stück hier.
Did it? Yeah, go there. You're afraid? Don't need to. He's afraid, right? Is it?
Achso, da ist noch ein Schrank hier. Gleiche wie der.
I'm gonna eat you, father. Uy! Fix your hair. I'm gonna eat you. I start with the baby. I start with the baby.
Francene.
Ow!
Ow!
I'm gonna eat you right now. I'm gonna eat you. Uy, babakog. I start with the pata. Pata. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Don't shout because the guy will come back to check. Sa basement.
Francene, was hast du mit dem LOL gemacht?
Mahulog ka doon.
Nein, nicht alle hier bringen.
Nagdula na ba? Hoy! Francis!
Den Baby hat Francene.
Digi 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 digi. Digi 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 digi. Come on, should we fix your hair? Fix your hair so you're gonna be Elsa again. Come on. Come here. I fix your hair here, then you play. Come on. Come on. Give me a brush. Yeah. And brother is not gonna fix your hair because you don't need to, brother.
Wasser ist kommen.
It's only Francene because she is a Are you Elsa?
Hello.
Okay. What are you eating? Don't show that to brother, okay? Don't show that to brother. Yeah.
I'm not eating anymore.
Yeah. Francis ang Francis food ko gusto. He wanted to have the don't move. He wanted to
Brother, this is yucky. Nice.
no, he wanted to have the how do you call that?
And no more.
He wanted to have he wanted to have they put it in the closet from Francene V. He wanted to have the kuan po, the what is this? The hairband. The hairband. He wanted to have that. Stop. Careful, not that you fall. Wait. Yeah. It's important that you fix your hair so you look good all the time. Then you have no messy face. Wait. Be careful. Wait.
Are you done?
Yeah, almost. Wait. Show me. Okay. Now look in the camera. Look what Francene look like. Is it fair? Tupong ba? Hi, say hi. Come, Francis. Say hi, Francis. Here, Francis. Does it show? Did it look at the? Did it show you there? Whoop. Whoop. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hey, don't go there. Magtuman, oh. Maglingit ra ba? Magtuman. Hey.
Okay, stop that. See that
No, Francis. Don't make a mess. Seriously. Oh, Francine already clean up there. Clean up na daw si Francine there. Oh. Say hello. Hello. Hello, Chud. Hello. Oy, Francis, no. Oh. The him there?
I don't know.
So much smell probably. So what's that? Sit down then. Tell me. It's much to pay?
Yeah, 3,000 something after tax. But we have got 2 lorries, big ones, the biggest there is, and 7 workers. He made a note, like, how much from every room is going to come. The kitchen is excluded. Because
So we're not
said,
bringing the kitchen.
at first I said,
Okay.
we're going to exclude the kitchen. When we have the new apartment or whatever, we will see, do we need that kitchen or not.
Okay.
So that will be additional if we're going to take that kitchen. But he says here, how many boxes we need, like here 61 or whatever.
61 boxes we need?
We need
Something
more.
like- yeah,
We
more.
are around 200 boxes here.
Our boxes is ours.
Ours is ours, and for his we get loan off, and then whatever we're going to need on boxes, we're going to use them, we pay for that. Whatever we don't need, we get the money back
Okay.
on that.
Can we not just buy our own boxes? That's cheaper.
Those boxes are no use actually. You can only put clothes in there.
Yeah,
He said they're too thin. You cannot put plates in there or something like that. That will break. You can only put in small stuff because they are only less than the 99-cent thingies. And he said that his boxes are even a bit bigger. Because I asked him, they appear to me too small somehow. They're
Okay.
really small. He said, yeah, you've got bigger boxes with me, but also they're thicker, they're stronger, like the ones down in the basement, the white ones. So then that's it.
3,000. From the other guy, how much is that?
He had 4,000 something.
You sure is this the one for him? Or
No,
it's the
no, no,
same?
no. He had 4,000 something. I have that as PDF.
Yeah, but 4,000 something is included when it's them who's gonna
Build and
Yeah.
take apart.
Yeah.
Take apart and rebuild.
But I wonder. You didn't see the Keller, right? The
No.
other one?
No.
It's a Keller actually is so
It's-
much.
He said also like, there's
So much.
stuff.
But did you tell him that we're not bringing all?
Yeah, but what's all? It's only the kids' bed and the bicycles which are down there, the broken ones, we're going to keep them here, and the doors, which should go back in here again.
What else is in there? Those.
All my books and all that stuff.
So what is your thinking now?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. 3,000 is good.
Yeah, because it's 2 lorries.
2 lorries?
Yeah.
So do you think he is cheaper, you think?
In the long run, yeah. All
So
we
at
have-
least this one is fixed, that's the price.
Yeah, that's fixed.
Because the other one is, we do not...
He said also you should only accept Kostenvoranschläge from people who come here, like him.
Yeah.
Don't tell them what you have and all that stuff, like on the phone when they do it like that.
Because...
It's no good, because anything that you forget to say will be on top of that.
Uy.
And it will be the people who are doing the move. When you tell them, but we need to bring that here as well. They say, that's not on the list. It costs 200 euros extra, or more, or whatever. So
Nakaka-stress.
people can get ripped off that way, he said.
Nakaka-stress para ang maglipat. 3,000 only moving, guys. And that is only without boxes pa.
What without what?
Without boxes, because the boxes you said we have to pay.
No, that's included.
It's included?
Already. You
How
get
many?
money back when 200 something, he said.
Okay. So it's included 3,000 exact? Exact? Or 3,000 something?
3,015
Okay, it's 3,015.
after tax.
So 3,000 guys, 3,015
150 he has.
for the boxes.
Yeah, 150 boxes he has.
But it's us who's gonna
It's
pack.
300 euros actually. If we're going to use all of them, it's going to be 2 euros per borrowing.
Ganito pala kamahal ang mag-move dito sa Germany. So, kung lilipat ka ng bahay, yung rent, meron, same naman sa Philippines, meron tayong advance payment, diba? Advance down payment. Meron kayong 2 months advance. And then, iba din yung rent. So, ang nangyayari, 3 months all. 3 buwan lahat. Kasi, hindi pa kami nakakita ng apartment or house na malilipatan, pero naghahanda na kami sa mga cost na, like for this, nag-ano na kami guys ba? Naghahanap ng choices like for moving, kasi hindi ka naman makamove na ikaw lang. Sa Philippines, kung mag-move ka, pwede ka lang magpakyaw doon ng jeep. In Philippines, you can just, pay a jeep, one of the jeep that we remember like that, and he will pay him for that amount, and he will come back buy on that what stuff you need to bring. Here, kailangan mo ng boxes, kailangan mo ng truck and so on. And then, 3,000...
Container. In our case.
Ang dami kasing gamit ni Frank, mga books niya about sa helicopter. Then, how about, what did he say about the rotors? That's heavy. How they gonna pack that?
I'm
How, Bobby, you asked 3 people when you put that up there.
Yeah, and I need 2 people to take it down again.
So who you gonna find? I cannot, because last time when I was there, my teeth was really... Last time when I helped him on the rotor blade, guys, yung ngipin ko na...
And that's in her 20s. Now, how much more in her 40s, 30s? Hey, God. You're getting older quicker than me?
Nabugat ko. Then the mirror too.
The mirror, yeah, he doesn't know about mirror. I told him it's about 80 kilos, or more.
And
So
then, what did he say? Not that they're gonna pay extra on that when they need to move.
we have
that.
gotten an insurance of 52,700 euros.
Okay, so there's an
So
insurance.
if,
If something
that's going to
breaks,
break,
they have to pay.
they have to pay that, and then I
Okay.
don't know how to estimate that because there's no bill for that. There's no.
Okay. So 3,015 euros, guys. So that is in dollar. No, in peso is, times ko siya sa 55. 165,000. 165, almost 166,000 yung babayaran. Moving lang. Moving lang, guys. Hindi pa kami, wala pa kaming bahay. Just the moving. Kami ang magpapak. The other one, may offers lang 4,000 euros. Sila ang magpapak, pero I don't think na yun lang yung mababayaran ko. Nadinig nyo naman kang Frank na merong mga additional. So, ang mahal. That's all that cost. The moving and the apartment for the caution. What is that in Deutsch?
Kaution.
Caution. Bali, down payment ba sa bahay? Ayan. Tapos, alam nyo ba na ano namin kagabi? Na-realize namin na Stoyer in Bonn is expensive in Bonn. Ang ticket nila doon, sa train tickets nila, monthly train tickets, mas mahal kaysa dito sa Dusseldorf. Pas patay. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kami makahanap ng bahay.
Maybe in the end you're gonna stay here.
Yeah. Hindi pa kami nakahanap ng bahay dun, guys. I think 5. Marami kaming, we found, I speak English so Frank can also say, we found so many apartments. Meron sila mga 7 rooms, that means 6 bedroom yan, guys, then 1 living room. Alam niyo ba ang sagot ng mga may-ari? Ayaw, it's good only for 3 persons or 5 persons. Hirap pala maghanap ng bahay pag malaking pamilya ka. Mayroon kaming sa online pa lang yan na hindi pa namin napuntahan yung bahay, pero naghahanap kami online ng bahay by agency. Mayroon na kaming 2 decline. 2 declines we get so far na. But wala pang mga reply. Ini-email kasi siya. Wala pang mga reply sa iba. Then I think hindi na sila magre-reply. So, ang hirap-hirap maghanap ng bahay pala. Nakaka-stress. Anong ni-intero eh. So, kung hindi talaga kami maghahanap ng bahay, dito lang talaga kami babalik dito si Frank ng trabaho.
Those houses we got, like we had put our eyes on. So we wanted to see if we can get those because they were pretty cheap. But
What house?
no reply
Yeah. So,
or
these houses, guys, is kuan ba? Malaki siya pero cheap. Para sa kung
The rent
sa
is cheap.
yeah, for the
compared to this
yeah.
apartment.
Yeah. And this is house already, merong garden na siya, meron na siyang maraming space. Pero walang reply. So sometimes I'm thinking, how did all those foreigners or how did all those other people found an apartment? Kasi
They don't have 4 kids.
I think that's it. The 4
That's the
kids.
secret. It's
Yeah.
the kids.
O parang ang feeling namin ni Frank, hindi kami sure how. We are not sure if that's the reason. Maybe they just don't see the email. Maybe it went to spam. Hindi ilang. It's not even 1 month we are
It goes
looking.
over the app.
We are not even 1 month yet.
And no pets.
No pets.
No
Oh,
pets.
walang pets allowed. So, ang hirap pala maghanap since
So I cannot take my fleas with me. I really have a problem.
joke. Ay, tatawa na lang kami ni Frank.
I miss that scratching.
We will just laugh on this and let's see kung anong mangyayari kasi we're not even 1 month pa man looking, but the situation ba is so,
Just before the 1st of August, we start looking.
yeah, hindi pa 1 month. So, di ba, nasabi ko naman yun sa vlog kung naghanap kami pero wala nang reply. So, ayun guys, yun yung update natin sa lipat bahay. Let's see. Kasi hindi naman kami papaalisin dito sa apartment. They don't force us to move out anyway. It's our decision.
Thankfully, we didn't
Yeah.
told them, like, you know, that we're going to move out, so we're going to,
Yeah.
you know, how do you say Kündigung and that we're going to say,
No, we are not doing that unless
we
everything
are cutting
is...
the contract now.
Yeah, unless everything is final.
Yeah.
For me, the only problem is si Frank doon sa tinitirhan niya, nasi-stress ako guys kasi I find that so uncomfy ba para sa kanya, sa kanyang kauban niya sa house, sa apartment na doon siya nagsistay. So let's see if this all plans will be worth it in the end. The only problem is the apartment you cannot find, or the house. I think we need to ask some help sa mga group ba, kasi nung hanap ni Frank tong apartment dito, nung start siyang magpuyo dito is that was 10 years or more years ago. Tinulungan siya ng kanyang kaibigan. They are member from the church. No, iwan ko talaga guys, oy. Let's see kung anong mangyayari dito. So this is the second moving company na aming in-inquire. Dito nga siya, chinek niya lahat. So let's see. Anyway, life goes on. Hindi nagsastop ang life namin sa paghahanap lang ng bunong. Life won't stop on searching a house or something. Still going on and on. Just mahirap for Frank kasi nagta-travel siya every time. So, I'll update you next time. Are you making coffee? Is your coffee hot?
There. Still there.
Okay.
You want?
Is that still hot?
It's still hot.
Okay.
Just had.
Hello guys! Nagluluto ako ng hapunan. Inuna ko yung mga bata. Ito yung pahapunan ko sa kanila. Very hikuan. Ninalian. Para siyang spam. Ayan, but... sa Netherlands to actually. Netherlands, this one, no? The one from Amsterdam?
Yeah.
Amsterdam na parang spam. Dala namin galing doon. And then, gagawa ako ng chili in oil. Chili garlic ba? Meron ako madaming chili. I hope maanghang to. Pero may mix ko siya sa chili powder. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. That's it, na? Luncheon meat. Luncheon meat. Focus. From Amsterdam. Let's see kung masarap siya. Yan yung ipapanihapon ko sa mga bata. Kanina, yung kinain nila. Ang kinain nila sa lunch is leftover from yesterday. Nagano kasi ako kahapon, naglata ng baka ba, nagsabaw. So ngayon, hindi mo ganda eh. So ngayon, luncheon meat.
Did you break the oven, the stove?
It's not making sound now. I think it's the...
But the light is on.
Yeah, it's gonna break soon because it's... Since if we move, we left this here, it needs a new kitchen.
Why is always my head cut off?
I think you need to be shorter. You need to be here in the back. So you
My back. Oh.
You need to be there in the back. So, luto tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, mamaya guys. Ano na to, pataka-pataka. Kakapi ko lang ang recipe ng ate ko. So, later. So, hello guys. Munti ko na kayo makalimutan. So, ayan. Natapos ko na mapakain ng mga bata. Actually, pinatulog na ni Frank si Francis. Si Francine is tulog na. It's already 8 p.m. dito. And so, almost 8 p.m. So, nagluluto ako ng puro spicy ngayon. Kasi si Mayor, na-craving ng spicy. Mahilig kasi kaming dalawa sa spicy. Diba before, hindi yan siya kumakain ng spicy. Tapos natakdan siya na ako. Lagi na kami kumakain ng spicy. So, nagluto ako ng putin. Ano yung putin sa Bisaya or sa Tagalog? Ibang meat, klaseng meat siya. Para siyang duck or chicken. Basta putin. Nilagyan ko siya ng madaming chili. And then, ginisa ko lang siya. Nilagyan ko ng mushroom. Ito siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. Hindi kasi kumakain ng mga bata ng maanghang. Kaya sineparate ko siya. Then, mayroon tayong rice kasi naubos yung rice. Naubos nilang Ella yung rice. And then, ito yung chili garlic oil natin, guys. Tapos na to. Lutong-luto na. Very siya, oh. Ano yung ginamit ko guys? Olive oil, tapos garlic of course, and chili of course. And then nilagyan ko siya ng paminta, asin, tapos sugar, at saka suka para yun yung para mag-last siya ng 3 to 6 months. So, ayan. Pero feeling ko hindi ito mag-last ng 3 to 6 months kasi kaming Frank, Diyos mio, marimar. Hindi mo na, pag may meat at mga frying guys, ginagawa namin itong dip. So, ginawan ko talaga siya para hindi na kami bumibili sa Asian shop kasi yung isang tab, yung isang jar na binibili namin sa Asian shops, Diyos mio, ang dali lang ubusin namin guys. So, ayan. Inaantay ko na lang si Frank makalabas. Actually, busog ako kasi nung kumakain ng mga bata ng spam, kumakain din ako. Pakurit-kurit ba? Tapos nag-coffee ako. Busog ako ngayon. Tapos kaya, siguro siya lang, siguro tikim-tikim lang din ako. So, that's it. I-end ko na ang vlog kasi mahaba-haba tong vlog natin today. Thank you all for watching and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye-bye and have a good night, everybody. God bless us all. Hayag pa. 8 PM na.